Stock numbers are an efficient method of tracking, organizing, and easily identifying specific units in your inventory. When you add a vehicle to your inventory, DeskManager Online automatically assigns a stock number. By default, DeskManager Online begins a stock number sequence at the number 1000, but the stock number sequencing is completely up to you. Please note that if vehicles are imported from DeskManager or WebManager, the stock numbers they were assigned originally will carry over to DeskManager Online. First, click the Settings cogwheel. Then click Inventory and select Stock Number. On the Stock Number Setup page, click the name of your lot. If you have multiple lots, you can assign each lot a unique stock number sequence. If you want to derive a stock number from the vehicle's VIN, you may choose to have the number match the last 6, 8, or 10 characters of the VIN. You can instead create a custom sequence by selecting Don't Use VIN. If this option is selected, you can specify a prefix, next number, and suffix to create custom stock numbers for inventory and trade-ins. The prefix and suffix are optional and will always remain the same. The next number increases by 1 each time a vehicle is added to the inventory. Standard inventory follows the sequencing in the stock number box. Trade-ins follow the sequencing in the trade-in box. If you want trade-ins to have the same base number sequence as your standard stock numbers, check Same Sequence as Purchase. You can instead set a trade-in to be equal to the sold stock number but attach a custom suffix. If you want to be able to change a vehicle's stock number manually, be sure to check the Manual Edit box. Once you are finished, click Save and Close. New vehicles added to this lot will now use the selected stock number sequence. This will not change any existing vehicles. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or issues, please reach out to our technical support team.